Oh, yeah.
More bang for your buck. Get greater value for the money you spend. Meaning, to get greater value or benefit for the money you spend, to maximize return. What you pay equals what you get. More value, more satisfaction, smarter choice. Example: this phone gives you more bang for your buck than many expensive brands. Great features, good quality, affordable, best value. Conversation example: why did you choose that model? It offers more bang for your buck. Makes sense. You get a lot without spending a lot. Origin: the phrase became popular in the 1950s, especially during discussions about military spending. Bang refers to the explosive power of weapons, while buck is slang for a dollar. It was used to emphasize getting the most impact for the money spent. Related expressions: best value, of the highest quality for the lowest price. Worth every penny, extremely good value for the money. Cost-effective, providing the best results for the cost. Get your money's worth, to receive value equal to the money spent. Good deal, a purchase that offers good value for a reasonable price. Key takeaway: it's not about spending more, it's about getting more for what you spend. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.